For being here today. It truly is exciting. And don't hit some points that I want to say. We're building a new dance floor down here. Okay? And everybody will be proud of what this presents to not only your customers, but our citizens of Biloxi. And really, I think about what was on this corner, what was right there, and what was right here. And I was born right at the end of the corner, 1947, almost in the middle of the 47 hurricane. We had City Hall Grocery. And I can tell you, I think Star Grocery was there, Coquette's, anyway, you don't need to know all of that, drifting back. But it is truly exciting, and every day, every opportunity we have here, I think our generations to come, our kids and our grandkids, we're creating memories and creating, do you remember when? Because I remember when, and for me it's exciting. I'm a little bit selfish, but again, it is a great day today. So I don't want to ramble too much more, but I thank you. I thank all your passion and hard work and money and investment in this little spot, and it will pay for itself, I can tell you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mayor Gillett. Mayor, I think I can help you. I think someone told me that between, Marshall, you correct me if I'm wrong, between Lemieux and Howard, or between Lemieux and Maine, there were over 38 businesses in this area at one time. So I think what we're doing here is going to make you proud, and it's going to make all of Biloxi proud.